Hi, I'm Cody,
I'm Sheila.
and we bought and sold our home with the Dan Gemis real estate team. We purchased 2 homes with him now and sold the first home that we bought, we sold with him and then purchased the one that we're in right now.
We were kind of casually looking at houses and we didn't really know what we were looking for. And we bumped into Dan when we were looking at a house, and he kind of directed us and he showed us kind of what we were looking for. It helped us a lot. So.
He kind of knew we were in over our heads, so he was listing that home and we were not represented. So technically he could have got a double sale on that home, and he quickly let us know like what we were looking at was not for us for a first-time home buyer. So he said, like, just give me a chance, let me show you a few homes and I'll show you something that you should be more looking at for your first home buy, because what he was selling was actually more of an investment property at the time. When we were looking at purchasing a new home, it was similar to the first time. He took us through about 1 million homes. We couldn't make up our mind on what we wanted. We were all over the map, and he just spent a lot of time continuing to work with us, show us lots of different places. No question was a stupid question. He answered everything in a very timely manner, usually immediately on the spot, and he was really available. So when this home came up on the market, he got us in the same day that he had listed the house and got us in quickly so we could get through on the bid process quickly. Otherwise we would have missed the opportunity on this home.
We have recommended him to a few family and friends, and we do have a family member that sold a house with Kathy actually. We had a great experience, and everybody we know has had a great experience with him.
I think with a lot of my friends that are currently like first-time home buyers, like we explained the difference in experience that we had with Dan versus when we had worked with a few of other realtors to begin with. So I think that was a big selling feature, and it's what we recommend, is that he will go the extra distance for you. He's always available. He's super polite. He's very personable. And like he's just willing to work hard for you.